Hey fellow beaders, so it's JP and I've got another pair of earrings for you. This is one of my quick and easy breezy designs is what I call them. The name of the earrings is Silky Bling because they're super blingy. And as far as materials, you're going to need silky beads. So these are 5mm that I'm using, but you can also use the 6mm if that's what you have. So it doesn't matter, it should still work. This over here are 11/0 seed beads, and this is silver lined champagne. They're Toho. And then I've got my 3x4 rondelles, and you can substitute a 3mm bead instead of the rondelle if you don't have it. And this one's light topaz is the color. But because of the spacing, you'll need a 3mm based on the way I've got the spacing set up. And you'll need 2 ear wires, and I'm using Wildfire 0.006 and a size 10 beading needle. All the information is going to be in the description box below, including the color, so just check below where it says show more. Anyway, enjoy, and let's get started. Alright, so we are going to start this by picking up 4 silkies and 4 11s and bringing it to the end of our thread. And what you want to do now is just tie a knot. Square knot, what I typically do if you watch me regularly. A really simple knot. And there it is, all done. So now I'm going to go ahead and continue and go through the beads, pull the knot in, and then switch to the other hole of the silky, and then we're going to pick up 5 beads, and those 5 beads are going to be 11 rondelle, 11 rondelle, and then another 11. So 2 rondelles, 3 11s, and you're going to go into the next silky, and you're going to repeat this 3 more times. So repeat. You're going to pick up an 11 and then a rondelle, and then again 11 and a rondelle, and you're going to end with an 11. So there I am. Going to go into this the next side, and I got to repeat. And I'm going to move these a little bit closer so I don't have to go way over there. 11 rondelle, 11 rondelle, and 11. There we are, and last time. And continue through the silky and then up the 11 if you can. Sometimes you'll have to do it 1 bead at a time. So this is what you'll get. And what you want to do is just go ahead and continue until you come out of this rondelle over here. And this time you're going to just pick up 3 beads, and it'll be 11 rondelle and 11. And then continue into this rondelle here, just like that. And then through the 11 and this next rondelle. Then pick up an 11. Oop, different color there. 11 rondelle and 11. And you go into the rondelle over here. Just like that. Then continue up through these beads, and we are going to come up to this 11 here where my thumb is. And through these next couple beads, and then we are in position with this next one. All right, then it's going to be a roundel, 3 11s, and another roundel. And you're going to go around the 11 here. So this is for the ear wire, and then you just want to come up and go all the way around the beads once more just to reinforce. Like so. Now just take your needle and go all the way down until you get to this rondelle here. So now you're going to pick up an 11, followed by a rondelle, and you're going to do this 3 times. And then you pick up one last 11. So you're going to pick up a total of 7 beads, 3 rondelles, 4 11s. And you are going to go up into this rondelle over here. And that creates our little drop at the bottom. Not really a drop, but it just kind of creates that great shape and gives it a more of a chandelier look to it. And these are very, very blingy. So continue through the 11, and then we'll make some half-inch knots. And again, make another half-inch here. All right, now I can trim my thread. So I'm just gonna grab my cutters here, trim this side sometimes, and over here. And then just grab my ear wire and feed that through. And there we go. Really quick and easy, guys. It took me probably all of, 10 minutes to make this, and you guys can, so you can make up quite a few different pairs. And easy breezy, as I like to call them. But these are my Silky Bling earrings. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.